Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Today, we bring you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 26, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate with a score of -3.79. Now, let's examine how the stock performed during this period. The stock saw a loss of -1.31%. This means that, on average, it suffered a daily loss of -0.33% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, providing a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $43.07 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and a possible trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 20.74% over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 20.72% and 52.11%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 59.92% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 39.73% and 95.15%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $60.20 to $84.07 after a year. Our latest update for Intel brings you the headline. Intel stock price ended at $43.08 on Wednesday with a gain of 0.373%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the Intel stock price increased by 0.373%, going from $42.92 to $43.08. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $42.36 and a high of $43.79, a difference of 3.36%. Although the stock price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -6.47% for this period. The volume of shares traded on the last day also increased, which is a positive sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 51 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 15.98%, or $8.20, below its 52-week high. It is also 37.83%, or $26.21, below its all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Today, I want to talk about the recent analyst ratings for Intel. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. And just a few days before that, on Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. Before that, on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with a initialize action. Going back a little further, on Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and price to book as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the near short-term development of the Intel stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be resistance from the lines at $45.86 and $46.98. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -15.13% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 66 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 211 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel stock has found support from accumulated volume at $42.92. This means that when the stock's price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction. When it comes to trading this stock, it typically has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $1.43 between its high and low, representing a 3.36% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.14%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Intel, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings and is a key indicator of valuation. The PE ratio for Intel is currently very high, suggesting that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, let's talk about the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024, which is expected to be released on April 25, 2024. Today, we're going to dive into potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $43.35. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $42.92. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 29, 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 3,000 shares of common stock. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.523. Overall, insiders purchased 336,611 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and have not set a stop loss. Is it a good idea to invest in Intel stock? Unfortunately, the Intel stock shows several negative signals. Despite the positive trend, we predict a weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Intel to open with a decrease of $0.0050, starting at $43.08. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your perspective on the current stock view we're sharing today. Feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.